Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Printify to Shopify and also how you can import your designs from Printify to your own Shopify store. Now this is very quick and easy. I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to connect Printify to Shopify. Okay, there are two ways, but I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way. Okay, now what you guys need to do now is to search for Shopify. Okay, you want to log into your Shopify store. I'm going to use this as an example, this Shopify store. Alright, now after you are on the dashboard of your Shopify store, what you guys need to do next, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels. And then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. And then what you guys need to do now is to search for Printify, okay? Now after you search guys for Printify, you want to download the app. This is the app. It's called Printify Print on Demand. Now make sure the developer name is Printify, and this is the logo of the Printify. Okay. Now you want to click on install. Click again on install. Now it will take you directly guys to Printify page where you can create an account on Printify. Now if you already have an account, you want to enter here your email and password. If you don't, I'm going to sign up using my Google account. I'm going to use this. Alright, just wait a few seconds and then you will be able to create, the account will be created, okay? Now it will ask you something like what best describes you. This really doesn't matter, you can choose anything. For example, I'm going to choose I'm a social media influencer, designing, yeah. Now after you create an account, as you can see here, you will see your store name. Now I named it test, that's why I can see here test, okay? Now as you can see, this is we have successfully created Printify account. Now you want to click on catalog here, and then you can choose which category you want so that you can start designing and importing these products from Printify to your Shopify store. Now I'm going to create, for example, something that is related to men's clothing, and I'm going specifically t-shirts. Now it will give you guys different t-shirts here to start designing. I'm going to use this one or this one. Yeah, I'm going to use this one. Click on the design you want so that you can add your own design. And here, as you can see, click on start designing here. Click on explore by myself. And what you guys need to do, you want to click, or it says upload. You can also upload your own design. If you already have a design, you can also use the EI image where you can enter here the text that is related to the image you want to add, and then the EI will give you different logos to add. You can also add the text here. You can add the text, you can add graphics, templates. Now I'm going to upload a logo. Just click on upload in the top and then click from my device, and I'm going to upload a logo. I'm just going to use this logo as an example. You can also resize the logo. You can make it bigger if you want. You can also change the backside. You can add another logo if you want, but I don't like to add another logo in the backside. I only add it in the front side. Now after you are finished designing your own t-shirt or hoodie or anything, click on here where it says, where it says save the product here. Now after that, you can, as you can see, these are different variations. The title, image, color, which is weight. Scroll down. Alright, now I'm not able to push this to Shopify because we have to click. Yeah, by the way, you have to click on open full site. Okay. It seems like we are going to start from scratch here. Now I'm going to click on login. Just click on login. I'm going to click on login right now, and then click on my products because we already saved that product. As you can see, it says here unpublished. Now click on it. and then we are in the same page. You can edit the title, you can edit the description, you can also use the economy shipping so that the cost is going to be lower than standard. Now after you are finished, you want to click on publish. So after you click on publish, this exact product is going to be published to your own Shopify store. Keep in mind, after you receive a sale, Printify will do everything for you. They will ship the product to the customer automatically, okay? Now this is the product inside our Shopify store, and these are different sizes. The color is weight. As you can see, it has a lot of sizes. The color is weight, and this is the design, the logo we have added to the t-shirt. So that's exactly, guys, how you can import your designs from Printify. You can also add another one. Just click on catalog. You can choose men's clothing, hoodies, and then you can upload other designs. Click on start designing, and then you can start adding the logos to your. I'm going to add this one, just an example. Click on save product. In the next page, you want to click on publish, and this exact product again is going to be published to your own Shopify store. I'm going to reload my Shopify store. I am then going to show you this exact product again. Alright, now this is the product. Just wait for the pictures to be uploaded. Takes a few seconds. Now after you are finished, after you receive a sale on Shopify, Printify will be able to ship and upload tracking numbers to your customers on Shopify. If you have any questions, I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like if this one helped you. Drop a like and let me know in the comments what are your questions. I reply to everyone.